Hi guys, today a quick tutorial. Is it possible to tear the top of a beer can with your bare hands? As you can see, it's totally possible, doable. So what's the trick? Well, because it is a trick. You've probably seen these movies on TikTok. Everybody's getting excited how somebody's having really huge power in their hands, being able to grab the top and rip it off. And actually, well, here you'll see a movie of my attempt, not entirely done perfectly, because at one moment this metal piece was sticking in my finger, so I had to use a piece of cloth. Nevertheless, it looks like I'm just using bare muscle power to rip the can apart. First of all, we have to score the edge under here with something sharp. I took a knife and just ran it around a couple times around this edge, but that was highly visible, especially with a black can like this. So I took a black marker and patched it up. So as you've seen in this movie, there's no sign of any modification of a can, but that's not enough. If you think that with such scoring you'll be able to rip it off, no way. You need to push your finger into the metal on the side. So here you see this part, that's where my finger went in. So once you get this punctured, then you move along to the side. And once you've got a nice whole edge broken off, then you can pull it off without any problem. So that's it regarding the trick. You might wonder, if people show you they're picking up a cardboard box full of beer cans, putting in the fridge and ripping the cardboard box apart. Everything can be made to look like it's been never opened, but I bet they also prepare the cans in some way. So try it yourself and let me know in the comments below, maybe with some link to your attempts. I think you'll be able to do it without any effort at all. So that's it for today. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and see you again soon.